गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आपके साथ थोड़े से हाइलाइट्स जो कि कल के बजट में आए वो मैं शेयर करूंगा। क्या रहा कल के बजट में और किस तरह से मार्केट ने 2300 पॉइंट तक छुआ, उस पर मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक डिस्कशन करूंगा। छोटा सा है ये यूनियन बजट। जो की हाइलाइट्स हैं वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन हैज प्रेजेंटेड द यूनियन बजट 2021-2022 in Parliament. In significant changes to the taxation process, Sitaraman announced the scrapping of income tax for senior citizens under certain conditions, new rules for removal of double taxation for NRIs, and reduction in the time period of tax assessments. Among other measures, startups will get an extension in their tax holiday for an additional year. Sitaraman also announced that the advanced tax liability on dividend income shall arise after declaration of payment of dividend. At this conclusion of her speech, Sensex was 47,451 and 1165 points up. In her speech, Sitaraman announced that the India's fiscal deficit is set to jump to 9.5% of GDP in 2021 as per revised estimates. This is sharply higher than 3.5% of the GDP that was projected in the budget estimates. A slump. Sitaraman in her speech announced a push to the a slump in government revenues amid the COVID-19 pandemic has led to a sharp rise in deficit and market borrowing in healthcare spending. Sitaraman announced a total spend of around 2 lakh crore on healthcare with 35,000 crore on COVID-19 vaccine development and inoculation. Sitaraman in her speech announced a push to the textile industry, a hike in custom duty on cotton, raw silk, new cess agriculture development, and rupees 2.5 liter on petrol and 4 rupees 4 per liter on diesel. A central university in Leh, a focus on a seaweed farming with a new facility in Tamil Nadu, and a new vehicle scrapping policy that aims to provide the auto sector a boost, among other announcements. Sitaraman also announced that an additional 1 crore families will now benefit under the centre's Ujjwala scheme. Four pole mount states Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Assam, and West Bengal will see significant spending on highway road expansion. Addressing the nation after the budget, Modi said it speaks of all around development from COVID related reforms to Atmanirbhar resolve. We moved ahead with this mantra in budget 2021. It's an active and not a reactive budget, he added. Congratulated the finance ministry team. This was Sitaraman's third budget under the National Democratic Alliance government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In significant departure from the tradition, this year's budget was not printed and was only made available in a digital format. Allocation of 24,435 crore hike in WCD budget. Mission Poshan 2.0 launch. MHA budget gets minor cuts. SPG allocation drops by 150 crore. Fiscal year 2020 physical deficit target at 6.8% per year. Glide path drawn in rain within indices. Extend post budget bull run. Sensex reclaim 50,000 mark the moment she announced. Government looks at sharp capital expenditure hike. Markets may cheer, but as farm laws show, test its streets and house. No return filing for pensioners over 75 boost to startup investments. Election bound states get an infrastructure push in budget. Insurance sector thrown up. FDI hike to 74% sets a stage for its takeoff. Easing credit to fund growth cycle. A bad bank and a DFI. COVID shadow on budget 2021. Health gets a vaccine shot. Water in new well-being category. Big spending push blended with bold financial reforms. Behind reduction in agriculture budget, lower spending under PM Kisan. 80,000 crore loan helps show to up railway finances. Pension budget reduced to 4.7 lakh crore allocated for defense. Capital outlay up 19%. Budget balances next quarter with next quarter. Century blends prudence ambition. So this is a small brief about the budget. मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया है, शेयर कर दिया है। कुछ और खबरों के साथ जल्दी जुड़ूंगा। धन्यवाद।